Good morning guys. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Los Baños, UP. Dahil gugunitain dito guys ang kalayaan ng mga nakakulong dito sa Beaker Hall na naligtas ng mga guerrillas. Yan, may mga kasama tayo guys, mga veterana. Hindi pa nag-umpisa guys, tunghayan natin mamaya guys. Para kung bago ka lang sa aking channel guys, mag-like and share and subscribe. At pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga video. Yan guys, parating ng mga kasama namin. Ayan, mga gaganda. Dito yan sa Beaker Hall sa Los Baños guys. Yan. Yan guys, mag-aalay na ng bulaklak. Ang ROTC guys. Ika-81 guys. Liberation dito sa Los Baños guys. Nang pasimulan ang pag-aalay ng bulaklak guys. Dito yan sa Los Baños, UP, sa Beaker Hall.
Mangyaring ang lahat ay magsitayo para sa paggalang sa pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Dadako na po tayo sa pag-aalay ng bulaklak. Narito po ang pagkakasunod-sunod sa hanay ng ating mga panauhing pagtangal. Dr. Jose V. Camacho Jr., Chancellor ng Universidad ng Pilipinas, Los Baños. Kagalang-galang Neil Andrew M. Locon, punong bayan ng pamahalaang bayan ng Los Baños, kasama ang sangguniang bayan ng Los Baños sa kaungkulan ng 20 bayan kagalang-galang Marlo Peter A. Alibon, kasama ang sangguniang bayan, members kagalang-galang Nico C. Pellegrina, kagalang-galang Aldous Amiel Cruz, at kagalang-galang Leren May Bautista. Kagalang-galang Marisol Aragones Sampelo, Gobernadora ng Lalawigan ng Laguna na kinakatawan ni Vice Mayor Antonino Aurelio. Kagalang-galang Ramil L. Hernandez, kongresista ng dalawang distrito ng Laguna na kinakatawan ni Atty. Simonet P. Ginoong Eloio V. Catabaran III na kinakatawan ni Mr. Edwin T. Amaran, Senior Vice President, Branch Banking Sector ng Philippines Veterans Bank. Ginang Maria Rosela de Ocampo, Pangulo ng Descendants of Hunters, ROTC Guerrillas Incorporated. Retired Major General Romeo V. Alancerdo ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, Presidente ng Veterans Federation of the Philippines. Noong Bernardo Cadapan, Pangulo ng Ika-2 Distrito ng Laguna, Veterans Federation of the Philippines. General Jaime de los Santos, Tagapangulo, Board of Trustees of the Veterans of World War II. Yusef Reynal V. Mapacu, Administrator, Philippine Veterans Affairs. Ginoong Gino Alfredo Delgado, Tagapangulo ng UP Vanguards Incorporated. Ginoong Victor Lee, Pangulo ng Watch Veterans Descendants Association Incorporated. Major General Gilbert Leanto, ng Pangulo ng National ROTC Alumni Associations Incorporated, na kinakatawan ni Major General Marlos Salazar. Ginoong Aristeo Palomar ng Region 4 Veterans Federation of the Philippines, kinakatawan Brigadier General Joel Serio. Ginoong San Pedro Veterans Post Veterans Federation of the Philippines, na kinakatawan naman ni Ginoong Jerry C. Bainti, Vice Post President. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga panauhin. Manatili lamang po tayo sa unahan upang bigyan ng pagkakataon ang mga photographers na kumuha ng mga larawan. At para naman po sa...
Ayan guys, babalik na tayo sa loob ng Vicar Hall para maumpisa na po yung programa. Hi sir!
Oh, kukuha naman ko.
Good morning, good morning. Naka-video po tayo. Yan po ang ating guerrillas dito sa Los Baños. Si Sofia. Ilan taon na si ma'am?
100 po, 100 years.
100? Uy, katanggap na ng ano po.
madaling damdamin mo.
Sir, may silya ka. May silya ka doon. May name mo. May name yan eh.
Yan, dami ang veterano guys. Marami kami ngayon. Ayan si Ma'am Sophia Tidon. 100 years old na po. Isang saksi dito sa Los Baños sa panahon ng World War II. Hi ma'am.
Sir,
ngayon upang gunitain ang pagpapalaya sa bilangguang kampo ng Los Baños o ang Liberation of Los Baños Internment Camp na dati ay tinatawag natin Los Baños Raid. Ito ay naganap noong ika-23 ng Pebrero, 1945 kung saan ay isinasagawa ng magkasamang puwersa ng US Army Airborne at ng mga Pilipinong guerrilla na nagresulta sa pagpapalaya ng 2,147 na mga sibilyan at mga nakapigit na mga militar mula sa isang agricultural school campus na naging isang Japanese internment camp na ngayon ay ang Universidad ng Pilipinas, Los Baños. Dito ay nasawi ang 250 na mga kahapon sa Yarso.
Tama ka dyan, Ren. Ang pagpapalaya nito ay pinagdiwang at tinawag ng pinakamatagumpay na pagsagip na operasyon sa mga bagong kasaysayan ng militar. Ito ang pumangalawa sa pinakamalinis na naisagawang pagpapalaya ng nagkasamang puwersa ng mga Amerikano at Pilipino na isang buwang matapos ang pagpapalaya sa mga natuan sa Luzon noong ika-30 ng Enero na may nasagip na 522 na mga militar at mga nakapiit na mga biktima ng gera. Lubos po ang pagpapasalamat ng Tama ng Bayan ng Los Baños, katuwang ang Universidad ng Pilipinas, Los Baños, sa lahat ng nagpaunlak sa mga saysayang araw na ito. Maraming salamat po sa bumubuo ng Universidad ng Pilipinas, Los Baños, sa pamumuno po ni UPLB Chancellor Jose Camacho Jr., sa Vice Chancellor po ng Community Affairs, Attorney Eric Paul Peralta, sa Pangalang Bayan ng Los Baños, sa pamumuno po ng ating kagalang-galang Mayor Neil Andrew Nocon, sa lahat po ng namumubuo ng Sangguniang Bayan ng Los Baños, sa pamumuno po ni kagalang-galang Vice Mayor Marlon P.J. Alison, mga Sangguniang Bayan members din po na narito ito, si Kagalang-galang Mark at si Kagalang-galang Nico, si Pelipina, Kagalang-galang Carlos Ariel D. Perez, Kagalang-galang Oriel Liza P. Dizon, at Kagalang-galang Derek B. Emerson. Sa mga bumubuo din po ng DILG family, si Ms. Michiko R. Escalante, ang Municipal Local Government Operations Officer ng Los Baños. Si Police Lieutenant Colonel John Eric Antonio ng PNP Los Baños. Si Fire Inspector C. Vincent Manay ng BFP Municipal Fire Marshal. Si Jail Senior Inspector Charles Kenneth Makera ng DJMP Jail Warden. Si Ms. Soledad Villanueva ng DepEd Los Baños District Supervisor. At si Ginoong Edwin Rala ng UPLB ROTC Commandant of Cadets. Narito din po sa pamumuno po ng ating pamalang lalawigan ng Laguna, sa pamumuno po ni kagalang-galang Gobernadora Sol Aragones San Pedro. Sa ating pong kongresista ng pangalawang distrito ng Laguna, si kagalang-galang Congressman Ramil Hernandez. Narito rin po ang Laguna Tourism, Culture, Arts and Trade Office na pinangungunahan po ni Ginoong Edgardo Victorio, kasama po ang History Division Head na si Ginoong Peter J. Ugo.
At sa lahat naman po ng mga veterano at anak ng mga veterano na naririto, gayon din po ang mga organisasyon kasama po natin ngayon. Ginoong Eulohio V. Catabrán III, Chairman of Philippines Veterans Bank, na kinakatawan naman po ni Ginoong Edwin P. Amahan, Senior Vice President Branch Banking Sector. Dina Maria Rosetta de Ocampo, President of Descendants of Hunters ROTC Guerrillas Incorporated. Retired Major General Romeo D. Alanilio of the AFP, Presidente po ng Veterans Federation of the Philippines. Ginoong Bernardo Palapan, Presidente ng Ikadalawang Distrito ng Laguna ng Veterans Federation of the Philippines. Ginoong Guido Alfredo Delgado, tagapangulo ng UP Vanguards Incorporated. Ginoong Victor Lee, presidente po ng Wachi Veterans Descendants Association Incorporated. Major General Gilbert Lianto, presidente po ng National ROTC Alumni Associations Incorporated, na kinakatawa naman po ni Major General Marlo Salazar. Brigadier General Sergio, na kinatawan po ni Ginoong Aristeo Palomar ng Region 4 Veterans Federations of the Philippines. Andito din po ang si Ginoong Jerry C. Bihinting, Vice Vice President, na kinakatawa naman po ni Ginoong San Pedro Veterans Federations of the Philippines. Sa ating pong mga panauhin, Ginoong David Ingles, panauhing tagapagsalita. Andito rin po si Kagandang Sofia Tidon, ang Los Baños Barangay Captains, kung naririnig po ngayon, mga puno-puno ng Los Baños, Colonel Daniel O, Senior Defense Officers and Defense Attaché, American Embassy, French Embassy, Netherlands Embassy, Tracy Hobb, Vice Commander of the U.S. Coast Guard, and of course, the Boy Scout of the Philippines. Colonel Daniel Ong ng U.S. Ambassador, or U.S. Ambassador, Colonel Daniel Ong. Good morning.
Maraming salamat, Bibining Remy. At para magbigay ng maluhod na pagtanggap sa mga panauhin, ating pong tinatawagan ang Vice Chancellor po of Community Affairs ng Universidad ng Los Baños, Attorney Eric Paul Peralta, para po sa isang ating po siyang palakpakan.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Okay, on behalf of our beloved Chancellor, it's my honor and privilege to welcome each one of you to this solemn and meaningful commemoration of the 81st generation of Baker Hall. Baker Hall is a place that stands not only as a structure of brick and stone, but as a living witness of courage, sacrifice, and the true spirit of our nation. Allow me please to deliver the message of the Chancellor of all. Today, we gather to honor a defining moment in our history. This occasion always reminds us of the courage, sacrifice, and unity shown by those who fought for our freedom during one of the darkest chapters of World War II. The liberation of Los Baños as a powerful statement of bravery and hope tells the story of heroic soldiers and resilient civilians who endured hardship yet never lost faith in their promise of freedom. Their strength and sacrifice allow future generations, us, to live in peace and dignity. As we commemorate this historic day, may we not only remember the past, but also respect, reflect on our responsibility in the present. Let us remember that the freedom we enjoy today was encouraged through hard work and selflessness. Let us honor that legacy by promoting unity, serving the community, and upholding the values of patriotism and compassion. May this 81st commemoration inspire us to continue building the Los Baños and a nation that is worthy of the sacrifices made of our liberty. Sa diwa ng pag-alala, pasasalamat at pagkakaisa, ating pong formal na pinag-usap ang pagkulita sa pagpapalaya. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang ating mga veterano, mabuhay ang ating pamayanan, mabuhay ang ating Los at mabuhay ang bayan ng Los.
po ng ating Chancellor Camacho ng Universidad ng Pilipinas, Los Baños, Attorney Eric Paul Peralta, Vice Chancellor for Community Affairs. Ngayon naman po ay tinatawagan natin para sa kanyang pambungan na mensahe ang punong bayan ng pamahalaang bayan ng Los Baños. Walang iba kundi ang ating kagalang-galang Mayor Neil Andrew Loco.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Lalo na po sa ating mga representative, yung ating mga pamilya, ng ating mga veterano na nakasama noong 1945, 81 years ago, nung na-liberate po ang Los Baños kasabay ng pagsagip sa mga Allied prisoners of war dito sa Baker Hall. Palakpakan po natin lahat ng ating lalo na po, I would like to give special mention to a living survivor. Buhay na buhay po kung 81 years ago, nung nag-liberation po dito. She is a teacher, a public school teacher. I think she holds the distinction of being one of the oldest living public school teachers in the Philippines. Music teacher, at historian, hindi lang po, broadcaster pa ng DCRH. Broadcaster, wala po pa. I would like to give special mention. Tumayon po ngayon, dito po si Lola Sophie Tidon. Vice President. Daniel from Guzman, our friends from the Coast Guard, the Embassy. She also was awarded the U.S. Professional Medal Medal for War Veterans 7 years back in Washington. She was awarded 7 years back. Lola Sophie Tidon, maraming salamat. At she is our institutional memory. Kaya po next year, magkita-kita po tayo at ulit dito, February 23. Ano po, ma'am? Next year daw, pag kayo mawawala. Our friends from the U.S. Embassy who are here, the members of the Diplomatic Corps, we invited other members of the Diplomatic Corps to be present. Hopefully, we can see later at the war exhibit by the Philippine Veterans Bank. We would also like to meet the representative of Governor Sol Aragones, who is here, the former mayor of the town of Rizal, Aurelio. Tony Aurelio. Tony Aurelio is a graduate of UP Los Baños. Nagtapos din po dito sa UP Los Baños. Our friends from the Veterans Bank also are here. Our friends from the UP Vanguard. Yung UP Vanguard po, yung mga bata siguro na who are here, karamihan po na lumaban during the war, pumunta sa Bataan, theater of war, mga ROTC graduates, mga dito din po nagtapos sa Los Baños, mga UP Vanguard. Kasama rin po dyan sila, si Colonel Mrs. Vanguard, our ROTC, the late General Espino, also Romeo Espino, yung General Espino, the longest serving sila, General De Los Santos, Bruno, General Mapago, the longest serving Chief of Staff ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Romeo Espino. He is a proud member of the fought during the war, Colonel Price, Colonel Price, General Romeo Espino, hails from UP Los Baños. UP Rural High graduate dito, kasama ko sa high school, UP. Tapos dito. And then our friends from the veterans, the family of General Teocampo, Colonel Teocampo, are here. Sayang si Finance Secretary Teocampo, no? Hindi natin nakasama. Next year, sana you can join us. Last year. So, and the veterans who are here, magandang fellow workers in government, our Vice Mayor who is here, and the members of the Sanggunian, our friends from the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, sila po nag-arrange this marker place here. On the 70th yata the 70th anniversary of this day, they set up a marker po dito through the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Magandang umaga. Indeed, we are here in a very historic place. 81 years ago, yung mga interniso from UST, kasama niya sila Father Reuters and other allied prisoners of war were sent here during the close of the war. Dito po sila na intern sa grounds of UP Los Baños towards the close of the war. Dito po, in Baker Hall and the surrounding areas here in UP Los Baños. So, we are doing this every year, and every year we will all be here, I will be here, because importante po that we remember the memory, we remember the bravery, we remember the courage of our friends who liberated Los Baños, who liberated this camp, of course with our help from the American forces during that time, but most importantly, the memory, the courage, and the bravery of our guerrillas, Filipino guerrillas, who fought for 4 years towards the end of the war, to its conclusion. Ito po nangyari po dito. Without our veterans, Filipino veterans, who sustained the war effort in 4 years after Bataan, sila po nag-sustain ng gera, never lost hope that eventually we will regain our freedom from the colonizers. So, kaya po natin ginagawa ito, kaya we give importance. It's important that we come here every day. Yun na lang po ang pwede natin gawin. Walang gera, we don't have to fight for our freedom. They fought for it, kaya po tayo enjoy yung freedom that we are enjoying now. So, that is the least that we can do for the veterans. So, next year po, we will all be here to commemorate and give importance to that very important role that our veterans play in the war effort. Of course, it's a collective effort. Sabi nga po ni Onofre Corpus sa Pilipinas, sa roots of the Filipino people, that history is but a collective memory of our people. Again, looking forward, the collective effort of our veterans, of our friends here, of the municipality, of all our workers in government, hindi na kailangan mag-gera, but hopefully our collective effort as a people, remembering our past, our heroic past, will lead us to greater heights, to develop further our country, and that we will not lose hope that the Philippines will be progressive and that we will have progress and development in the years to come. Bringing that memory of courage, of heroism na binigay po ng ating mga veteran. So again, on behalf of the municipality of Los Baños, we would like to thank everybody for coming here today, and we'll see you later at the exhibit dito po sa ating municipal hall, and see you again next year. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo. Again, saludo po tayo sa ating po mga veterans at mga pamilya po na nandito. Maraming salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Abante! Los Baños, abante! Laguna, abante! Bansang